Most people get robo-advisors wrong by thinking they are all the same, but Finbox offers unique features that make it worth considering. Today, I'll share my honest experience using it. Finbox is an AI-powered robo-advisor that builds a personalized investment portfolio based on your goals, risk tolerance, and timeline. The surprising truth? Its automated approach can outperform generic portfolios because it constantly adjusts allocations based on market conditions. Setting up an account is straightforward. You answer questions about risk tolerance and financial goals, and the platform generates a diversified portfolio of ETFs and stocks. I tested it for 3 months, and the portfolio automatically rebalanced without any manual intervention. Most people get this wrong by assuming rebalancing is a chore, but Finbox does it for you. Fees are competitive. There's a management fee, but it's generally lower than traditional financial advisors, making it accessible for beginners and experienced investors alike. The platform also offers insights and analytics, which help you understand why your portfolio is structured a certain way. In conclusion, Finbox is a solid choice for anyone looking to automate investing while maintaining transparency and control. Most people get this wrong by assuming robo-advisors are impersonal. The insights and automatic adjustments make it a smart tool for disciplined investing. Subscribe for more honest reviews of investing tools so you can grow your wealth smarter and more efficiently.